Greetings. Greetings. I'm Nora. And this is the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy. Gratitude for the likes, shares, comments, subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Gratitude for sharing. For those that it may resonate with. I got this stuff on my shirt. I don't know. Hope you guys had a wonderful day thus far. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Let's go ahead and get into it. Since going on, go ahead and hype your girl up so I can get up in that algorithm, you guys. So I can get pushed past 30 views, 50 views. Help a sister out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I may even need to start going live on YouTube. That might be what it is, y'all. I might need to start going live. So let's see what y'all got going on. I could be speaking of a masculine, it could be a feminine. What's happening? We pulling from the divine headquarters. What's happening? I'm seeing sweatshop. So somebody is working very hard. Huh. Whoever you are, you're working very, very hard. Oh, maybe you put in a lot of attention and detail and energy into someone or something. Clarify the sweatshop energy. What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective with this sweatshop? I'm seeing delusional. This delusional talks about fantasies, about being with you, makes up scenarios in their head, tells others made up stories about you, thinks that you want them just as bad. So I feel like you may have invested a lot of time, money, or energy into someone with this sweatshop energy. It almost feels like Seven of Pentacles energy. And I feel like there's an energy of someone being very delusional, though. This could be an energy of you guys like hard at work, focusing on your stability, focusing on your security. You may have ended out some sort of connection, no longer talking to someone, dealing with someone. You could possibly work at a family business or something like that. And you have this person that you're no longer, paying attention to or giving attention to that's being delusional as fuck. Let's go and clarify this delusional energy, though. With them fantasizing with being with you, making up scenarios, maybe just weird. Weird as ever. Clarify delusional. Clarify delusional, please, Spirit. Delusional. Delusional. Okay. One more for delusional. Gratitude. Oh, Lord. Clarifying that delusional individual. I'm definitely seeing that there was some sort of distance placed between the two of you. There's an energy of some sort of retreat or time out between the two of you, between you and this individual. And I'm seeing like spirit is preparing you for some sort of renewal, but it seems like this person possibly wants some sort of renewal with you. You know what I'm saying? It seems like they want some sort of spark with you, but it seems like your spirit team, the most high, your spirit guides, your ancestors are moving you somewhere else, somewhere different. This person is still in this shadow period. This person is still tapped into their shadow side. That's what I'm seeing here. They're going to do some sort of dark night of the soul. I'm still seeing an energy of illusions, confusions, and secrets and all types of shit going on that they need to unpack themselves versus worrying about being with you. Hello? The fuck? Weirdo? Let's go ahead and clarify sweatshop. Like, move on. It's over with. It's done. God dang, there's billions, millions and billions of people in this world, and it's always just some weirdo or so fucking attached to you in a weird way. Go on with your damn life. It's billion. I'm just one speck out of billions. You get what I'm saying? And they want to be fucking weird with you. Take them and their weird ass on somewhere. What if I said sweet shop. Oh Lord, you got a sweet shop? That's probably why they fucking crazy, deranged, and delusional. They don't know what is going on. Clarify sweatshop. I was about to say it again. Sweatshop. What's happening? Sweatshop, please, Spirit. What's going on with the sweatshop? Sweatshop. One more for sweatshop. Sweatshop. I'm gonna take that one because it's upright. Okay, so clarifying the sweatshirt, I'm definitely seeing an energy of regret here. I see this person trying to extend to you some sort of offer. I'm seeing this being a missed opportunity. You're not even paying this person any type of mind, and it looked like they might send you out some sort of message because I don't see a person standing there. I see them just extending some sort of offer or trying to, come towards you in some form of fashion. A fire sign could be significant, strong Aries energy, but I'm definitely seeing this person is hard at work or will be hard at work with trying to extend some sort of offer. And the only thing that you can think about when talking about this person is the negative things that they have caused in your life. Okay, this person is very self-absorbed, and you're just thinking about the past. I'm seeing that possibly came with some sort of depression that you no longer want to visit. That's what I'm seeing here. Look, yeah, because at the bottom of the deck, you got the King of Wands out here, the Queen of Wands. Yeah, y'all definitely was in some sort of connection of Ace of Swords out here. Look, and you moved on. You overcame some sort of obstacle. Is what I'm seeing here, especially when it comes to whoever this person is. It's almost like an energy of you having the victory. You get what I'm saying? It's like an energy of you being the last man standing, or the one that walked away, the one that got away energy. And this person was like, I can't let you go type of energy. I don't know what to do. Nobody has ever treated me like this before. And so you're hard at work. I feel like at one point in time, it possibly was a full-time job dealing with whoever this person is. They was fucking stressful. I am seeing a new beginning here, a new relationship, some sort of new romance here for you guys. And I'm seeing that you guys, I see you celebrating. I see you guys having a good time, possibly with your friends, with your family, and things like that, doing your own little thing. And you got this person all up in the mix, worried about you being fucking weird. Yeah, you're in this independent energy, Nine of Pentacles, single, abundant. All right, and this person just making up shit, making up scenarios about you. Just this person needs to go get some mental health. Like last year. Anything else for sweatshop? Believe me now, they're coming out as the devil, having some sort of addiction. I'm seeing mental health into bondage, secrets, obsession, causing you to. I'm seeing that there's energy of like pushing you to stand in your power. It looked like you guys had to maintain some sort of control or overcome a lot of self doubt that they may have put into you. Okay, I'm seeing you taming some sort of beast within yourself. Okay, I'm seeing an energy of you guys propelling forward. I'm seeing you coming into alignment. This person possibly can't even watch you. You might have got this person blocked or something like that because I am seeing the curiosity here. And I feel like this person is very suspicious. They don't care about how you feel or anything like that. I feel like they only care about themselves. They're very malice. And again, some sort of hypocrite. The same thing that they want for you is not the same thing that they live by. They think they can do whatever the fuck they want, and you got to fall in line or something like that. And it looked like it may have taken you some time to see this, especially with dealing with whoever this person is and what you want moving forward. Because I am seeing energy, you guys wanting happiness. I don't know if you already have gotten married or have a family, but shit, you want a happy family. Okay, you want to be somewhere where you're feeling welcome. Now you ain't gotta feel be with somebody that possibly always this person possibly always used to claim that you were cheating or doing something. They were putting it on you, projecting it on you, but this is the person that got the fuck all the problems. They might have called you crazy, called you a cheater, called you all types of things, but it was them the whole damn time. You might have felt even trapped to this person and felt like you need to release them. And I'm seeing the energy of you letting go. And it's like it might have taken some sort of time, but you definitely learned the lesson. Wounded warrior energy, you definitely learned the lesson. You started seeing this person exactly for what it is. And you learned from the past. I'm seeing you may have even been betrayed, backstabbed, talked bad about. I'm seeing an energy of you guys breaking down or possibly feeling like you had it's like an energy of collapse, like you dropping to your knees due to some sort of exhaustion, like no longer wanting to do it. And it seems like this person, it was like beating a dead horse. They didn't want to hear nothing you have to say. So even if they did say it's like you did something and you're like, I didn't do it, they're not listening to you. They don't believe nothing you say. Which they know it wasn't you. This person fucking sick in the fucking head. Whoever this person is could be someone that you have children with, you could have been married to, or something like that. Masculine energy, they're coming out with this emperor. Yeah, and I'm seeing this hermit is definitely shedding some sort of light on this person. You're coming out as the high priestess. They were revealing things to you in your sleep. They were revealing things to you in your spirit, especially in regards to things that were hidden because they weren't going to tell you shit. It seems like your spirit guides and your ancestors were revealing the things intuitively to you, spiritually guiding you away from this motherfucker, providing you spiritual insight. Those times that you possibly were spending alone, you were getting downloads. 92 could be significant. 29 could definitely be significant, but I'm definitely seeing that there was a lot of illusions, a lot of secrets, a lot of deceptions. Okay? This person causing a whole lot of anxiety. Okay? Things had being revealed in your dreams. Okay? Yep. And I'm seeing a lot of unexpected events or a lot of unexpected things happened. I'm seeing it cause the tower moment when you started seeing this person exactly for who they are, what was revealed in those dreams that were provided to you from your spirit guides, your ancestors. How you caused this stuff. Of course, it's going to cause a tower moment. I'm definitely seeing unexpected changes. I'm seeing possibly some sort of divorce or breakup. Okay, this person might have, I'm seeing you started speaking the truth. They might have even tried to get violent, anger, arguments, wanting to fight and things like that. This is the type of person that try to be cool one minute, then always revert back to their old ways and want to apologize for the things that they did, but they still doing the same thing over and over and over again. This energy comes with a lot of chaos, confusion, and destruction. Again, this person is sick in the fucking head. That's what I'm saying here. Y'all have a good one. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please hold